What is up, guys? We have an unboxing and review of a product today. You might have seen on the thumbnail, it is a wall mounting helmet stand. And the reason why I say review is because if you see up there, it's not one, not two, but it's the third time I'm ordering this product. So it's definitely something that I like. And why would I order it 3 times? Let me show you. So stay with me till the end of this, guys, because I'm just not going to read out the specifications and tell you what I do with it. We are going to run some tests to see if this thing is really as good as they say it is. And at the same time, we'll also do some fun stuff. So starting with the unboxing here, a couple of things I need to let you know. I mean, first of all, like I said, I've already ordered it a couple of times. All the times I have ordered it from Amazon, and something different happened this time. It was interesting, so thought I'll share with you. I ended up ordering the product, and it was, say, 2 more days for the delivery, and I got a call from somebody telling me that, hi, this is Srinivas. I'm like, yeah, Srinivas. Like, did you order the Getsetride helmet stand? I'm like, yes, I did. Like, sir, we have an incomplete order coming your way. We haven't put the screws. There's supposed to be 4 screws that drill into the walls, and they are not in the box. So I see that you are getting it delivered in this area, and I'm from the same area, so if you'd like, I can either personally deliver the screws to you, or I can give you a partial refund. I like the service point of view there, but it was new to my orders. So I'm like, okay, when did Amazon started doing that? And he's like, no sir, I'm not from Amazon. I'm like, okay, so you work for Getsetride? He's like, no sir, I don't work for Getsetride. I own the company. I own Getsetride. I don't know about you, but that's never happened to me before. So I was amazed. I cracked into a conversation. I'm just like, it's very nice of you to call and stuff like that. And I told him that it's the 3rd time I'm ordering it. It's a very nice product and stuff. And when I was discussing this, I took my other phone, I pulled up Instagram, I pulled up social media, and started looking Getsetride up. And I did see some pictures of this guy also. And he's actually a motorcycle enthusiast. He's traveled in different countries of the world on the bike. He's done the Himalayas, and found him to be a very interesting guy. So पूछने में क्या जाता है? I went like, dude, you want to go for a ride? I mean, you can probably give me the screws at that time. He's like, yeah, why not? And we did go out for a ride, and I cancelled the order on Amazon, got this one with the screws, and this would be the right time for me to tell you that it is not sponsored or paid in any ways. He has my money. I paid for all the 3 of them. And at the same time, he doesn't know about my channel, I think. He doesn't even know I'm going to make this video. So probably after the shooting is done, we will send him the link, and I'll probably record his reaction on the speakerphone. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that was about the background of me ordering this. It was different from the other 2, so thought I should share. And let's get into the unboxing. Now we're going to open this first. I will show you the product, the way it looks, and what some things are meant for, so that you get an idea. And then, now that I already have 2 of them on the wall, we will do some testing just to see how good or bad it is, and then you can decide if you want to pick it up or things like that. So let's get right into it. Yeah, here we are. Starting with what it looks like, I mean, this is the stand. This is one of the best things I like about the whole thing here. So for example, if this is like the wall, It is meant to go on the wall like so. You can see it behind. And if you're keeping only the helmet on there, it is very seamless because the helmet comes on top of this. This thing is supposed to go behind the, or rather in front of the back cushion of your helmet so that it doesn't slide down even if there is any external force. And the thickness of the material is what is awesome actually. If you, not sure if you can really make it out on the camera, but it is pretty strong steel. And while having a discussion with him, the website says 15. I asked him, will it really take the weight of 15 kilos? And he's like, bro, don't worry about it. You go ahead and hang something for 20 kilos and it'll still hold. I have done it before. So let's see if that happens. And at the same time, I do have a couple of more things along with it. I'll just remove this to give you a full view of the product first. So here is the helmet stand. Now, just as usual, I do have a couple of stickers, and this was the screw that he forgot to put in. I'm glad he did that. Kind of got to meet an interesting guy. Had a lot of stories to tell, so that was fun. And about this, this is like his logo, but I like this. What I've done in the past is I've actually like put this on a paper and used it like a stencil to write this. I don't know why I would write Getsetride somewhere, but it just looked like one of those scales that I've used in school, so that was interesting. But there's actually one more interesting thing we can do with it. Let me show you something. Still not sure if this is a good idea. Didn't really work out the way I thought it would, but I mean, it was worth trying. If you don't see another video coming up from me, it's probably because my wife didn't like it and she decided to kill me. But if not on another YouTube video, I'll at least make it in the news, so that's good. Let's get back. That was fun, but coming back to the serious stuff now. The first question that you might have in mind is it safe? I'm going to put the helmet on the wall, I'm going to put my gears on there, what if it falls? And valid question. Same thing that I had in my mind. That is the reason why I didn't order it for all of my helmets together. I ordered one, it was good, then I ordered the second, and now I have a third one to deal with. So that is that. So what I have planned is I'm going to hang some weight on it. I mean, if you see that it's already got a helmet, it's got a jacket, the other one has a helmet, it's got the riding pants and the gloves. So helmet being around 1500 grams, 1600 grams, and the other one say roughly about a kilo, it's already got like approximately 1.5 to 2 kilos on there. Maybe more, but I don't know because all of them are with the CE protectors, armors. But we want to put it to the limit. So I have a very weird plan here. I found these in my home gym. Not sure if you can read it. They are 5 kilo plates each. So that makes it 10 kilos. And the idea is to put it in a backpack and hang it on there, just to see how it goes. Now, mind you, I'm gonna make it one single take, no cuts, so no magic tricks here. Just saying. Heavy. before that, I'm gonna hang all my gears on the same one, just to show you how comfortably it would fit. But like, feels strong enough. We are about to find out. Impressed. So that looks good. We had like about 10 kilos in the bag. The helmet was still up there, so say 11 and a half, maybe 12. Everything put together. Your jacket, your gloves, your riding gear, all of it put together, I don't think should be more than 5 or 6 kilos. So I don't think you'll need any more weight than this. But he does claim that it should take up to 20. Website and Amazon says 15. So I think that is like the minimum. When I put 10 kilos up there, there was no bending or no sound of any kind. So I felt pretty confident. And just put the things back on there first. By the way, here's a hack if you want to put your gloves anywhere. You see these rings here? This is one of those bands that people with long hair used to tie their hair. I stole it from my wife. But I use it to, this kind of looks neat. So you tag it in like so, and now you have this to hang your gloves wherever you want. Fun, right? So yeah, sorry, I deviated again. So this is what you get with the whole package: the screws, the main helmet stand itself, and a couple of stickers, and a couple of ways you can buy it if you want to. You can do the same thing I did. Amazon, I will drop the link in the description, so if you want to go check it out, check out some more details, also make a purchase, you can use that link, and it is an affiliate link. Or you can directly visit the website, because apart from this, he does make a lot of other things for the bikes as well. Getsetride.com it is. I'll put that in the description as well. He does have some aftermarket parts, like luggage solutions and bike protectors made for things like KTM, Apaches, Himalayans, and stuff like that, which can also be cross-used into other manufacturers' motorcycles. So you can check it out depending on what bike you have. I'm not sure if he'll have exactly what you need, but he does have a lot of things already. And yes, that was about the helmet stand. So if you like what you see, or if you found this to be useful, do drop a like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's a lot of more products that I will be discussing. Everything that I buy will be shared with you, and I do have some interesting rides planned. So there's going to be a good amount of motor vlogging as well. So just in case you're into it. And if you have any questions, put a comment below, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care.